We had a trip to Ethiopia to learn the Ethiopian experience, and we had a chance of visiting at least 2 in the rural Ethiopia, about 400 kilometers outside Addis Ababa. We saw how they are doing it, and I think it was an opportunity to open up. There was ministry officials and the county officials, and that was sponsored by Unido. We thank you for that and many others. So as we move forward, we had a challenge for the soil which is here. I think we have even a contract up to October, end of October, to make sure that the fabricated steel products in Nairobi are mounted. As we move forward, I want us to be comparing notes continuously so that we know the requirements, because the government gave 250 million, the county government gave 250 million. So far the resources are there. But going forward, beyond the 500 million, we'll be able to compare notes and see which direction we take after these CAIPs. This CAIP is actually meant to promote agriculture. Farmers have been producing, and their products sometimes go to waste in terms of before they reach the market, or post-harvest losses are high. So the CAIPs are meant to value add on these products so that farmers can be able to earn more. And sometimes between the market and the farmers, you find that there are so many expenses. Like we have been having coffee. We have one of the best coffees because we are high in the highlands. But the brokerage is too much. If we can have somebody to come here and process around, then it means that the brokerage firms will be bypassed. Then the value, major value goes to the farmer. That's the main issue. And the process, it will create employment, Nyamira product, and many other surrounding benefits.
I just wanted to say that success is ownership, and being here and seeing how much you and Wazir is doing is making me happy in advance. That whatever knowledge gained through the project will be translated to livelihood and to do things on the ground, and that not only the 2 farmer cooperatives that are going to the Philippines, but the 2 people from your office that will share the knowledge and capacitate others to. And even if the project ends in September, I'm sure another one will come under your leadership and together with our partners. I think I'm happy that we have resource mobilization here, because I found out that many times if we do it together, we also can get more. And this is hardly tapped into it, so I like to bring it up. And